How do you sum, count, or average data in Excel pivot tables? Imagine turning a mountain of data into a clear story in just a few clicks. That's what pivot tables do for you. They are one of Excel's most useful tools for analyzing large datasets quickly. Today, we're going to see how you can sum, count, or average your data in pivot tables to find exactly what you need. When you create a pivot table and drag a numeric field into the values area, Excel automatically applies the sum function. This means it totals all the numbers for you. But if your data contains text, dates, or logical values like true or false, Excel switches to count. It counts how many entries there are instead of adding them up. This automatic behavior helps you see meaningful results right away, but you can change it anytime. To change how your data is summarized, click on any value in the pivot table. You will see an option called Summarize Values By. Clicking this opens a list of functions like sum, count, average, and more. Select the one that fits your goal. You can also click the small arrow next to the field name in the values area. This opens the value field settings dialog box. Here, you can choose your preferred summary function and click OK to apply it. Excel offers more than just sum, count, and average. For example, max finds the largest number in your data, while min finds the smallest. Product multiplies all numbers together. For statistical analysis, you can use functions like standard deviation or variance. If you want to see what percentage each value is of the total, you can choose options like % of column total or % of row total. These are especially helpful when comparing parts of your data. Let's say you have sales data by region and year. You put region in the row area, year in the column area, and sales in the values area. By default, you see the total sales. If you want to see the average sales per region and year, click on the total and change the summary to average. If you want to count how many transactions happened, switch it to count. You can even place the same field multiple times in the values area, each with a different summary function. This way you can see the sum, average, and count side by side. Keep in mind that changing the summary function affects how blank or non-numeric data is handled. Excel treats blanks as zeros when calculating. Also, if you are working with data from an online analytical processing source, you might be limited to the predefined summary functions. A common mistake is trying to average the averages. Excel does not average the displayed averages but recalculates based on the raw data. To get accurate averages by category, always work with the original data in the values area. Once you master these functions, your pivot tables become powerful tools for answering specific questions. Whether you want to sum sales, count transactions, or find the average order size, changing the summary function is quick and easy. Remember, you can also add the same field multiple times with different functions to compare different aspects of your data side by side. When your data updates, your chosen functions stay in place, making your analysis smooth and reliable.